Let's see if we got enough light in here. If we don't, I'll dig out another flashlight. This is the downstairs. You come up the ladder, come to your left. It's on the west side of the scuttle hole that's not insulated. Okay, and this is the downstairs furnace. Indoor air handler actually. The flue's properly supported. That tape is actually for duct work. Kind of suspicious. Class 1 duct. Let's look that up. Hang on. Look up Class 1 duct. So we got a little bit of rust in the evaporator cool pan. I'm supposed to report any. The primary drain line is insulated, but it has a shallow trap on it. You can't see this, so trust me on this. The safety switch has been bypassed inside of this cabinet. We do not see a carrying use manual, I said that before. So what are we looking at downstairs? And that filter is not in place. So if I don't see a filter downstairs, then we're missing our filter altogether. If it were in place, then this filter would be a 20 by 25. Remains to be seen. What we've seen is I'm suspicious about this tape and going to look it up. We got a little bit of rust in the pan. We got a shallow P-trap. The safety switch in the cabinet's been bypassed. I haven't seen an air filter yet. And that's about it. In fact, the air duct runs are all pretty good. I know, I wonder a little bit. And I can call it right there. I say you got more than half an inch sag. But really, yeah, I'm going to do that because it's too long. They should have put more support there. It's not a big deal, but man, I'll tell you what, you take a quick way down here, this floor feels kind of soft right there. What is that? Oh, it's a light. That needs a box around it because people can step on that and it's going to push the light through the ceiling. This is wrong. Okay, this is the upstairs indoor air handler, and I cannot get into the furnace to get the data plate because the cabinet has been taped up. The gas line does not have a sediment trap. This is that gas line that was in the way. You don't want people stepping on your gas line, do you, bud? No, I don't want people stepping on my gas line. Okay. What else have we got? We got a lot more rust in the safety pan. Our primary drain line does not have a P-trap at all. Not just a shallow one, but not one at all, and it's not insulated. And what else do we have? That's about it. Oh, this one does have carrying use manual. I think this one doesn't. This one does. And this is where the duct goes. It doesn't go on the flue. I know. I'm going to look it up. But yeah, we got the wrong. I'm going to go ahead and tell you we got the wrong kind of duct. Let's see what that flue. Some saggy air duct. Okay.